What up, locked in gang, y'all? So as you guys can see, I done took my lock bun out. I got my, I just got my locks going out right now. I'm not gonna lie, I am in love with my locks. I'm officially about to be 5 months locked, literally in 3 days, because today is January the 6th. So on January the 9th, which is in 3 days, I will officially be 5 months locked. So I guess, because I'm not really doing a 5-month update, so I guess I could just, show you guys what my hair is looking like right now. But the purpose of this video, because you guys saw, is by the title, is that I am going to be doing some cute little goddess braids over my locks, over my starter locks. Never did this before, so this is gonna be my first attempt, but I honestly think it's gonna come out cute and everything. So I just wanted to go ahead and record this process just for anybody else who is in the starter lock phase and they just want to do something different to their hair in the beginning stages. So that's kind of like where I'm at. I just kind of want to do something different right now, because like my hair is literally going through a lot of changes right now, and I'm just like, I'm embracing it, but at the same time, I'm not really used to this. So I'm trying to get used to it. But I'm gonna go and throw some cute little goddess braids up in my hair. Hopefully it comes out cute. I'm not gonna lie, if you guys are seeing this video, it's because the goddess braids came out cute. Of course, if the video don't come out right, y'all probably, this video will never see the light of day. But I'm about to go ahead and get started on the process or whatever. So pretty much I have like a light retwist on my hair right now. So my hair is like, because I have locks, they're already pretty much pre-sectioned. Like my hair is already pre-sectioned. So all I really gotta do is just kind of grab each lock, kind of, clean it up a little bit with some lock gel at the root, and then just start braiding, So that's pretty much the process that I'm gonna go through when I'm doing my locks. When I'm doing my braids or whatever. You guys will see it in the video. So without further ado, because I'm over here rambling, let's go ahead and get into the video, y'all. All right, y'all, so right here I have my handy dandy 3-way mirror. I just wanted to show this to y'all. This is what I'm gonna be using to see the back of my hair. I also have this 3-pack of expression braiding hair. It's 52 inches, and I have this curly hair that I'm gonna be feeding in as well. I have 2 packs of each. And then right here, you guys, this is just some things that I thought I was gonna be using. I didn't really use most of this stuff, to be honest. I only really just used the lock, this right here, this Super Grow lock essentials, and my edge brush. And I also, of course, use some water, because you have to use water to maneuver your locks. You cannot do your hair on dry locks. Yeah, y'all, so right here, I actually had already did 2 of the braids. I kind of just wanted to make sure that I could do it. I already know how to do braids. I just wanted to make sure it was going to come out cute. As you guys saw, I sprayed it with some water, and I'm going to be using this lock gel to just clean up my lock and do like a light mini retwist on my locks, just so it can be neat when I do the braids. So I already have my hair pre-sectioned off, so I split it into like my 3 little parts, and I'm just going to just start braiding. Honestly, y'all, this is not a braid tutorial. It's just me showcasing how I do my braids or whatever. I've never been really good at teaching people how to braid and stuff, but if y'all could watch, you could see what I'm doing. So later on in the video, you guys, I will be going more in depth as to what I'm doing. Right now I'm just kind of showcasing and showing you guys what I'm doing, but you guys, I'll go way more into detail later. So to start this off, I'm just gonna, of course, wet my locks or whatever. And then I'm going to put the lock gel on my locks and do a slight mini retwist. Once I do the retwist, you guys, I'm just going to take the pre-section hair and I'm going to split it into my 3 pieces, and then I'm going to start to braid. What I pretty much do is just take the lock as if it was a regular piece of hair. I don't go through the lock or anything. I literally grab the whole lock and just start and put it with one of the sides of the pre-section hair and just start braiding, you guys. So once I braid down a little bit, I take a piece of the curly hair and I just feed it in. As stated before, I don't know if I stated it before or not, but my curly pieces are really long, you guys. They are 30 inches long. So I just feed it in and I braid it down a little bit, and then I pull a piece, that curly piece, out, and then I just continue to braid. The other half of the curly piece will still be inside of the braid, so I'm gonna still braid that down. And then once I get toward the end of the braid, I'll pull the other part of the curly piece out, as you guys will see in the video. After I pull out the second curly piece, I'm gonna braid it down, and then at the very end of the braid, I'm going to do a knot, which I will be showing you how to do in a few. So we've reached the end of the braid. So what I'm gonna do is already split into 3 pieces from me braiding. I'm gonna take one of those 3 pieces and I'm gonna just wrap it around the braid, and then I'm going to just put it through the loop and just knot it, you guys. This is pretty much the end of my video, you guys. After I did my whole head, I did you know, kind of braid all of my hair together and dip the ends of my hair. But this is the finishing product, you guys. I hope that you guys like it. Tell me what you guys think about it in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like this video, as well as hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you guys won't miss any videos from your girl. And also, until the next video, peace and love.